Hello and welcome to Christmas Day, and I'm gonna do a quick demonstration of how to make multi-maps on FPS Creator Reloaded. This is one way. There's easier ways than this particular one, but I'm going to show you the way to do it with scripts, and I'll tell you about win zones, which is the easy way to do it. So let's get going, because it's going to take a while to load, although I've made the level slightly small. It's very simple. I've just got a script on it. We just embedded into an object that basically tells you to move to level 2 or 3 or whatever. It's quite simple, but the problem is when you use a script, it doesn't copy the levels data across, so it ends up just running the same level or saying game over and starting again. Basically, it just reloads level 1 up unless you copy the files across. But when you use a win zone, it automatically copies the files across when you put the level name in the win zone. But here we go. Right, level 1. Nothing much, just there. You can see it's got a few trees, and I'm on a big plateau that I can't get off without dying. Let's go to this little paving stone, and then press E. Ooh. Loading. Now this should load level 2. It should. Hopefully. Come on. Load. Load. It's almost there. Come on. Come on. There we go. And there you go. Another level. And whoa. A big obelisk there. It's not the right colour, but there we go. It's not even an obelisk. What am I thinking of? I'm thinking of 2001. I can't think of the name, what it was called. The relic. I don't know. Anyway, there we go. Get here and press E, and ooh, we're loading again. Loading back to level 1. Because I thought, well, you know, people might want to be able to go from one level back to the next and forward and make it less boring, less linear. You know, you can go from level 1 to level 2, blah blah. It works more like a map then, rather than a level system. So yeah, and here we go. Then we go, we're back to level 1. And yes, I can obviously go back to level 2. Simple as pie. Simple as pie. Right, okay, escape. Yeah, quit. This is a standalone, obviously. It only works in standalone mode as well. If you try it in a test mode, it just gives you some text. Quit. Right, so let's just show you. I've got level 1 and level 2. Level 2 I could delete now, because I've put it all into this folder. Everything, so I mean the entities and then the maps. So you've got level 1 and level 2 in here. And obviously all the entities that are required, but I didn't do it in a stupid way. All I did was when I made the game, so let's see, I made this. I made a standalone for level 1, a standalone for level 2. Went in here, copied it, back out into level 1, and just paste it down into here, like that. And it'll do its normal stuff. And then you go, yes, I want to merge it. And then it'll say, oh, do you still want to merge it? Yes, we want to merge it. Yes. And then it'll ask one more question, hopefully, unless it's remembered from last time. Come on, Speedy. Oh, my computer's so slow. It's probably not helping that I'm recording this. Come on. Hey, and then it'll say, do you want to copy and replace? Do you want to don't copy or copy and keep both files? Well, obviously you want to copy and replace anything. Or you don't want to copy or replace. Which one do you want? I'd say don't copy. And then it'll just boom, and it copies all the new stuff from the first file straight to the second one, and that'll basically get all the files you need into it for it to work. And then obviously I could delete level 2 and run it again, but I'm not going to bother doing that because it takes too long. Now in FPS Creator Reloaded, if I just load it up. Now, I've never done this. I'm only going from what I've read, because I was like, well, this is a bit awkward, you know, I've got to copy the files manually, but you know, I understand it's a script and it's a bit harder to do, whereas at least in the editor it can see straight away that you've told it to go to whatever level. So from what I've been told, you just get a wind zone. You might be able to do it with any zone, to be quite honest. I mean, I've virtually used trigger zones for everything. And then in the properties of that, if used, you type in the name of the level you want. So it'd be level 2. Apply, and then once you've walked into there, it'll send you to that level. But I haven't particularly played with that yet. I will play with it. It's the easiest way, really. Can you have more than one wind zone? Or you can have more than one wind zone. So I don't think it matters that it's called a wind zone particularly. I just think a wind zone is, I'm just going to have that zone, and that's the only zone I'm going to have, and it's going to be somewhere, and there's no others apart from in between zones and whatnot. Anyway, yes, that's how you do it. So I hope that helps, and have a nice Christmas. Until next time, I'll catch you later.